Hi, I'm Tina Ann Forkner. I'm an author and a mom and a past foundation president, and I continue to serve on the Laramie County Library Foundation as a volunteer. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about why I love summer reading. I absolutely love the Laramie County Library's summer reading program. I used to sign my family up for it when my kids were small, and my daughter and I still sign up every single summer. Sometimes we even read the same books, and we have a few of the same favorite stories. There's a line in one of our favorite novels, The Outsiders by Hinton, that says, "Maybe the two different worlds we lived in were not so different. We saw the same sunset." Funny how those words stuck with me long after the story was over, before I had any idea of one day reading it with my daughter. At the time, I was a bored teenager reading through a stack of books to pass the summer days, and I remember that line going straight to my soul. I've never forgotten it. That summer of reading changed me forever. It influenced me as a reader, a writer, and as a person. It helped me to see others and even myself a bit differently. It even made me a better human. Maybe you also have a favorite book or a line from a story you've never forgotten. I bet you do, and I bet there's a reason why you remember it. Perhaps it changed you like The Outsiders did me, or maybe it just brings you the pleasure of remembering that particular story. No matter the reason, you loved a book and I loved a book. We have that in common. That's what I think reading does for us, and one of the many reasons I love the summer reading program. It brings us together, and with technology becoming more important in our lives every day, reading is a time we can unplug for a bit and really feel human. What is more human than reading a story about someone else's journey, or learning something new, or being inspired? And best of all, just like the line in The Outsiders taught me so long ago, reading reminds us that we aren't all so different after all. Books are for all of us. The library is for everyone, and we can all participate in summer reading. As a past Foundation board member, I am so grateful our town has a library, and I encourage all of you, and not just you kids, to sign up for summer reading.